I'm teaching this or making this revelation in the respect of humanity and mankind at large. Anụta ka arụ eze, ọkwa nya bụ na eze na chi ọfụma. Anyị ga-eneba anya ihe gbasatara ndị amosu, winch and wizard, ka ha si were eme operate. Mana tupu anyị agawa n'iru, kedu ihe bụ amosu? Winch is a spirit that possesses human being to make him do things he's not supposed to. Is agent of distraction. Why the witch always knew the destiny of a child in time, always ask questions on things you don't know how it come into existence. Secondly, every human being who doesn't dream or who don't remember his dream, I'm sorry for. Before things might occur in physical life, you must dream about it. Either things you dream will safeguard you for unending doom to come. That is why whenever you sleep, your body is there, but your soul is out. Onye ka ọ ga-abụ ịrọ nrọ, you find yourself another world. But you lock up your house, your door, you sleep, you find yourself another world. There is a mystery behind human's life. Onye ka ọ ga-abụ the witches, ndị amosu, oge ka ha ji eme gịnị? Eme operate to attack your soul. And once they get your soul, everything you are doing is gone on this earth. You must be prayerful. Every 12, anything 12, 82 boss, and 3, if you can wake up to pray, that is fantastic. But mostly in life, you could see the era long, take a mad, and always to remember your dream. Onye amosu nwere ike idino na beye, je ife dịka oversee, because they operate on the spiritual element. Onye kpatara ọtụtụ ndị amosu ga-abụ hafụ na nwa amụrụ ọfụ na ọ ga-abụ a star na destiny ya mara mma. They will go and attack on his soul. Or they pour a sickness. Or gabo yagudo on weba. That's why you find a child of 5 years having manners of sickness. Yet, if you go in the laboratory, you cannot find it. Things are happening. For you to prevent this, I will come and explain how you can. That is all I have to say for here. Please, if this is the first time you are across or you are watching my video, I say welcome. Follow me up on my YouTube page, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime you come across my post, you can able to watch it. I am still the man Mazi-UC. Igbo, day one.